Land of wood and water. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Dainelle, for those who know, don't know and want to know. If you're a returning subscriber, big up yourself, you know. Thanks to keep it real. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that post notification bell. Turn on that bell, forget the post notification shout out, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. With me I have 3 special guests. Me. This is my cousin Canila.
I'm Lenqua and I got a channel. I just wanted to say go over there and like and comment and subscribe. Link would be down
in the description box below. It's called Just Be Lenqua. Then they have my sister.
Hi.
Logo there.
Hi, I'm Brittany.
Yes, and she also has a channel.
Okay, so it's called Tony Views. It hasn't launched as yet, but when it does, the link will be in our description below.
Right,
yes.
right. Okay, so let's do the title and we're ready for the video, right? So yes, we're going to be playing again. Well, it's an app called Jamdung. It has Jamaican Charades, everything Jamaican really. So I'm just going to give you guys a close-up as to what it looks like. Okay, so it looks like this. You get to select either parts or all of the above. Right. So all you got to do is hold it on your forehead like this, and your opponent, we're going to go in 2 teams. The opponent is going to describe to you what's taking place and so forth and so forth. And if you go down, you get it. If you go up, you don't get it, right? So we're going to rock paper scissors. We're going to go in 2 teams. Me and Lenqua on team, and they're on team, right? 2 in the on team. So we're going to rock paper scissors to see which team is going first. So who you want to go first? We go first? First what we're going to do is Akitos. Where is it? So this is Akito. Let me read. It says act out the action on the card for your teammate to guess. Use action and sound effects only. Okay, that's it. And we have 60 seconds. It's on time. So Lenqua going to stand right here. And she got act it out for me so I can know. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put the words up on the screen so you guys can see what is it we're playing first. So this is what it's going to look like. Come.
Place on.
Don't read what you see. Just sit and act it out. Oh my god, we're dead. What's on the screen? Somebody help her.
Score a goal.
Oh no, go first, make sure I understand. Alright, the thing is, me I got try if I can out here. Come here.
No, it's just nasty over there, so in her own stench, and I got asked to
She go, every video you got to have a sit down. Sit down. Sit down. You want it. You laugh.
It wasn't me, I didn't.
you know what I mean?
If you get hurt, hold it down.
Oh, what's there?
You better than me. How we do this now? How we do this now? Like what you see me for now? You pause. You want some drink? Don't pour something in your glass. I'm at the bar. Me a walk. Boxer. Lose them game. Watch out. Watch out.
Yeah, I can smash guitar.
Smash it. Smash it.
Ants.
No. Smash it. Why? Smash it. Kill one.
Spider. Cockroach.
Yes, spread it. No. Put it on the water pan so we can catch water and push it and drive it. The girl make all of them pass over the skin. Push cat.
Push card. Kite.
Card. When you push the can out, put the water on the cards. Girl, don't let us lose now. Guys, you're keeping score because we can't keep up.
Come on,
Only brown people can go to the place. So I'm gonna check out your money still, you know. Mommy used to work there, you know.
bank.
Alright.
Teller?
Yeah. Down. Alright, no, I'm gonna go to them and get
Too much talking.
Smoking weed. Smoking.
Kanila, go down there.
Frost. Billionaire blunt.
Just pot.
Spliff. Billionaire cigarette.
Go back to what yours.
Blunt. Smoking a blunt.
Just pass that from the come. Can't believe it.
I don't know if I take out.
She's a queen for
Running.
no.
Race. Skipping exercise. Incorrect. Oh my god.
Guys, this is what it looks when them finish. Hold on. So she got the bank teller, she got the skipping, but she didn't know to put it there. She didn't get no plain marble. She never get the rolling spliff, and she did not get the dancing. So this one is now word or phrase patois. I can increase the time to 70. What?
I don't come from Jamaica, you know.
I don't
Come from Jamaica.
turn that way like this.
Britain, you're going to say the bottom word and she's going to guess the top one.
Oh, farmer.
Always say it in Jamaica.
Farmer.
Yeah. Follow.
Follow. Come, go up. Follow.
Yes. Father.
Father.
You talk a bit louder now?
Figure.
Me don't know that.
Yeah. No, Brit, oh, you have to say that.
Yaba.
You have to call the word there. You have to say it in the next one.
But it's not there. I don't know what yaba is.
Okay, I'm passing that.
Manners.
Manners.
Jamaica.
Jamaica? No, what?
What here?
Oh my god, you live in
Jamaica?
Oh my god.
Jamaica? Land of wood and water?
Faster.
Wrong way.
Dollar.
Dollar.
Yeah. Ground.
Wrong.
Yeah.
Don't spot it right.
Universal journeys. What they know is run and the summer come out right?
That's it.
No.
Bogo.
Yeah, what do you call it?
People can.
You say what?
Where is?
And the summer come out right? South end.
Remember them always say wipe here?
Noah's Bogo. Noah's Bogo. Pass that my girl, pass it proud. Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Yeah, pass. Clear. Down.
Is that patois?
No, what's it again? Patrol. Oh, Queen of Herb.
You have a right.
Don't know. Give me. You're gonna read the bottom one and make me figure the top one.
Back.
What?
Bush.
Back.
Bush.
Back a bush. Behind the bushes.
I don't know.
There's no
Maybe you're supposed
translation
to
there.
Yeah, if you say behind the bush.
say- I guess.
Come, next one.
Beside.
Backside.
Box cover.
Jesus. No, me a person.
Fake.
Don't you say Sherry?
Yes, carried right. So.
Fake.
Yeah.
You're fake.
No.
You're not liar. Oh my God, what do we say if you're not if you're fake?
Tell her my
You're Kumujin.
No.
Oh my God, okay.
Murder.
You're a killer.
No.
What did I say?
Murderer.
What did I say for murder?
Criminal.
My next one I say murder.
Roll.
When I say murder. Murder clown.
murder.
Didn't you guys hear me say murder? Yeah. The next one is Jamaicans love to say.
Me not come from Jamaica.
Okay.
Me never, my
60 seconds. You have
my ass never been saying anything.
Hold on, Jessica.
I can't out there for say it.
Yeah, all them gonna say. They have to say. All them would say.
Left me alone.
Leave me alone.
You're not going to say what's on the screen.
Oh, leave me alone. It's correct it out here.
All them, no, you have to do some of them though.
Oh, pardon.
You pass it. When you have to say when the person
Knock
just
in the
come.
door.
When the
And
person-
me, man.
Come in. Who is that? Who that, sir? Who that? I mean, why not? Why?
Go
Come
back to the ooh and come now.
Who that?
Go down, no miss.
Who you? Who that? Who?
It should be a who this.
Back in chop. Who? What?
10 seconds.
Who
9,
that?
8.
7.
Kanila sheds.
What was it? But we ain't able the person don't come in and say who that.
Come out of my
They only got one right.
Ow. Watch your boy there.
Watch the boy.
What is this?
Nico.
Oh my! What is this?
Elbow. Then watch it turn. You're doing this on
No,
top.
Jesus.
One minute. Hey, is a what? I'm love say is a what? One minute.
Little boy.
Right down. You want to give me that 5 times in a care? Or more than some in a care? Or Jamaican say, me no.
Me not care.
No. We say one next word, one B word. Me no.
Business.
No. Go and go move and go.
Sit down. Picture camera.
Yeah,
Pay attention for. I don't know what's that.
Grouping. I don't know how to say it in the ring.
How do I pass this word again?
Grouping. You could have to say it right.
I come.
Biggie Yama.
Don't say that.
Now say that.
Yes.
Brittany, you have to do something.
Oh, if it's it done.
It finish?
Everything done. It's Sarah.
Ah.
Yes.
No. Where we get that from?
My tigger be.
Don't read it out, act it out.
Don't help her.
Then you can read what you tell, you see. In your head.
Wow.
Oh yeah,
You.
no.
Me say.
Don't read it out. Lenko, you really failed me right here. Act this out now. Lenko.
Somebody help me.
Oh my God.
Yeah, no, move your ass.
Allow me again.
Yes, I'm right, yeah, baby.
Never say the opposite. Read it, Lenko. Read the opposite. Say it in that opposite way. This girl just left. It's Jamaica real place. It's a real place. Oh my god, these were so easy though.
Oh my.
My cousin is young.
Okay, we have to understand such a little, so that's
But
it.
why?
But my god. We're gonna play one next one.
But it's a big one they give me.
Jamaican yard style. First, please. Oh, my first say, describe these things you will find in most Jamaican household for your teammates to guess them. So you're gonna describe them. Describe it, man. May I go for one of them? Shelly up on the cover. Shelly up on the cover. That.
She from Butter?
Shelly on Fraser Fruits.
Oh, sausage?
Yes, girl. Love that. Go move it. Move it. Psalms 100.
Bible?
Yes, girl. Love that too.
Glad.
It's all and go up in the sky.
Tree, palm tree? Mango
Palm
tree?
tree?
No, girl. It's on the beach.
Don't help them.
It's on the beach. No time.
Well,
One horse? Box?
Bridge? It's a tree. It's on the beach. No time.
Coconut tree?
Yes. But, yeah. My foot pan
Bat?
Yeah. Put on my right there. Put on for right there. Put on. That's it. Fly! Excuse me. Sit down, sit down.
You must describe it, right?
Yeah, describe it. Go down with the canina.
Soda buckle.
Soda buckle.
Yeah, the type of soda brand.
Bigger.
Next one. Next one.
Make soda buckle.
Yeah, the next brand you have bigger.
B&G.
Yeah, the next one.
Next.
What start with B?
What's
Describe.
that?
I'm saying soda buckle. Soda buckle. You have bigger. You have Pepsi. What the next brand? Start with a B. Start with a B. Just pass it, girl. Just pass it, girl. It's in the shower. No birds.
I can't drive, but continue.
In the sea. That is shower. But remember, I said when you use my words, it's
Jesus, I'm tired.
Wait, they're gonna be a gun.
Cockroach.
Yes. Wow.
7, 6, 5, 4,
Uniform.
Yes.
No.
Listen.
You're wicked. Remember them shut them leg?
That one you could use a word and it describe.
Yeah,
That one
and
you
Describe.
No, you said tunic and the word is something said
What
tunic.
would I say?
You don't say you put it on.
What should you put it?
I can't describe it. Me I drink pine and you eat it and it when it go in a
Pineapple.
No, they put it in a oh my god, they put
Blender.
remember you squeeze out the in the juice and it roll and it on tree and it's sour when it goes to you can't so they put it in a juice. Me I press my clothes with that.
Iron.
What bucket fast now? Me I tell it butter the bread and me I go on the bread.
Put peanut butter.
When me no start it there, right? Me I go wipe out the house with that.
Map.
Down. What can you put now? You come in here and say what you want money for do what the circle one them name. You have that.
Silver.
No, next word. Jesus Savior girl.
Oh, wicked now.
The amount of cheese. Me use one V word for aisle me ear. Not ear alone.
Violin.
Next one.
This.
Me need to choose but me need to put it in the summer and squeeze to make it run.
Blender.
No, it's someone else.
Oh, you want that teeth when it is
Really outside. She's a baby.
How many?
When you know Vaseline,
The teeth.
I alluded to the girl. It's the teeth for me. It come up.
You put it on bread.
Butter.
No, the next one. You said I use.
Mayonnaise.
No,
It's PB time.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah. Peanut. Lenko, act it out.
The
Your grandma love what?
Bible.
Just act it out.
Lenko, come so.
Use it in your ear.
Boom, iron, flat
The
iron.
next one we
Curly
twirl.
iron.
Yeah. Sister, I'm
And then
fear.
now.
On beat.
Okay, I got sharp. Put things in her.
Shopper.
One way by
Scandal bag.
the next one in there.
Crocus bag.
Actual name for the bag.
Paper bag.
Actual name. Jamaica man walk.
Scandal bag.
It is what?
That's scandal bag. Plastic bag.
No, and then number one.
Lime.
Idiot.
You never them there.
Eh?
You never them.
Small food.
Bangers. Okay, I think that's a wrap. So guys, yeah, wait.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment,
Comment,
and
subscribe.
subscribe. Leave a comment.
Down below. Yeah.
And don't forget to go in the description down below for their thingy. That's a wrap. Thanks for keeping it real for all who returned and watched it and made it this time. Bye.
Cause we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You in the panel, part of the family. You with the bell. You comment and like and share as well with your friend. That's right. Welcome to the life. Feeling alright when we're keeping it real with Dainelle. Keep it real with Dainelle.